Nestled in the verdant forest of Oostvoorne, the forest house by Kumiki exudes harmony with its natural surroundings. Its design comprises 3 volumes recessed into the ground, each offering unique views of a carefully landscaped garden. These wings converge in a central hall where expansive glass panels create an ever-changing tableau of the outdoors, seamlessly blending the built environment with nature's beauty. Constructed from Cross Laminated Timber, CLT, the house celebrates the warmth and durability of natural wood. A floating 4th volume, perched above a sunlit terrace, adds architectural intrigue. Supported by robust wooden walls, this structure emphasizes balance and connection. Charred Accoya wood and green aluminum accents clad the facade, ensuring the home harmonizes with its green surroundings while maintaining durability against the elements. The house's rhythmic facade features closely spaced beams that evoke a curtain-like effect, particularly near the windows, enhancing both aesthetics and safety. This thoughtful design element alternates between charred wood's natural texture and smooth aluminum, emphasizing the horizontal lines of the structure. The interplay between materials highlights the minimalist elegance of the CLT framework. Large glass openings between the timber panels create a luminous, airy interior. Inside, the use of loam walls and wood fiber insulation not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but also fosters a healthy indoor environment. The natural materials maintain moisture balance and bring an inviting warmth, making the home feel as alive as the forest surrounding it. Sustainability lies at the heart of this house's design. Built almost entirely with bio-based materials, it minimizes environmental impact while maximizing efficiency. A geothermal heat pump, energy roof, HRV system, and rainwater reuse system ensure the home generates more energy than it consumes, setting a new standard for environmentally conscious living amidst serene natural beauty.